Even though I'm stupid, honey, but I'm not stupid. What do you think of the dinner, baby, that I cooked for you?
Good morning, Philippines!
I'm going to get some clothes upstairs and bring it downstairs. That I Say birthday man yaron. Karon naman. Happy birthday daw, Han. Han. Inday said happy birthday. Happy birthday sa daw Erning. Unya unsa pa may kuan ninyo diha? Lingaw. Magunsa mo day? Good morning everything. Good morning guys. Andito tayo sa taas. Nag-ano lang ako. Nagkuha ng mga gamit dito. Ilagay sa baba. Yung mga pangbahay ko andito kasi. Konti lang yung pangbahay ko guys. Look. Konti lang, di ba? So, ilagay ko yan sa baba kasi andun yung doon ako naliligo. Nahirapan ako pabalik-balik. So, ito, ihahangang yung mga pangalis. Yun, diyan ko inano kasi hindi dry. Dinadry ko siya doon. Ano yan? Couch cover. Nilabhan ko kasi. And then, yun. Mag-ano lang ako dito. Hinahang ko lang yung mga panglakad ko, guys. And then, ito pa rin yung suot ko kasi sus, ginoo ko guys, this morning is 34, 33 degree. Frost talaga guys. Lumabas ako, yung tomato ko, kawawa yung tomato, nag-frozen, hindi man nag-frozen, parang na-shock. Yung mga tomato ko doon, na-shock. Ito na. Naging akin. Tupiin. So, yun. Yung mga pangbahay ko dito sa taas. And, mga panglakad ko dito sa taas ng mga pangbahay ko. Doon sa baba. Ito, magto 2 years na to. Next year. Binili ko sa Walmart, hindi ko matahi-tahi. I mean, kinat ko kasi sobrang taas kasi. So, kinat ko siya. Hindi ko siya matahi-tahi. Alam niyo kung ano yung plano ko. Bibili ako ng sewing machine na mura, electric, kasi napapagod ako guys. Kada bili ko ng mga jeans, mga ganon, kailangan kong putulin and then ganunin ko individual. Napagod ako kaya hindi ko yan na talaga. Mga pangbahay, hala, ang bigat. Uy, bakit dinamihan ko? Ang bigat. So, ito. Alsa-balutan tayo. Alsa-balutan. So, ngayon, ilagay na natin to dito. Meron na ako ditong iba. So, yun. Hi, Roxy! Hello! Yung mga damit na ito, hindi na ito kasya sa akin. Ibigay ko to sa kapatid ko. Yung mga hindi na kasya, ito, okay pa to. And anyway, so ngayon guys, is birthday ni Tami. So, bumangon ako, sabi ko, happy birthday! And then, so, meron sana akong bibilhin para sa kanya. Pero ayaw niya kasi gusto niya siya yung bumili. Sapatos. And kasi yung sapatos niya is bakit blurry? Hindi siya pwedeng bilhan ng mga sapatos na kahit hanik-hanik. Kasi yung paanga niya, diba, kailangan talagang gusto niya, komportable, hindi masakit kasi yung paa niya talaga is malaki. And yung parang may problema siya basta ganon sa mga shoes na mga ganon. Siya lang daw yung bumili. Siya lang daw yung bibili. And alam ko naman yung si Tami talaga, ayaw niya yung mga ganon. Yung mga birthday surprise, birthday ganon. Pero bilhan ko yan siya paminsan talaga pag maisip ako na maganda. Bilhan ko yan. So this time wala kasi ayaw niya kasi 'di ba nangyari. Sabi pa niya, tipid. So tipid daw, tipid. So yun. Tignan natin kasi ba to sa akin, hindi ko alam. Nagano lang ako dito guys kung ano yung mga damit ko dito. So yung birthday niya ngayon is andito lang kami sa bahay. My birthday party kaming dalawa. Alam niyo na kung anong ibig sabihin ng party. Magpa-party kaming dalawa. So well, hindi ako kasali. Hello ka. So ngayon guys, I think itapon ko na rin ito Kaloka to. At saka laylay na ito. Karaan na to guys. As in. Gustong gusto ko pa naman ito. Pero talagang nalaylay talaga siya guys. Nag-iba talaga yun guys. May buslot pa. Oh. So yun. Itapon ko yan kasi wala na talaga. Hindi na kaya. Iwan ko si Tami guys. Kahit noon pa, ayaw niya ng mga birthday, mag-birthday party, ayaw niya yung mga surprise, ayaw talaga niya yan. Itong mga kapatid ni Tami, kapag birthday niya, tanungin siya kung anong gusto. Or tanungin ako kung ano yung wala kay Tami. Kaya I think ando na lahat eh. Tools. Yun yung paborito niya. Tools. So andyan na lahat. Kakaiba daw talaga tong si Tami. Kasi kapag birthday, gusto niya parang not regular day. What do you mean? That doesn't have
There's
the screw.
a center screw that holds it in.
No, I don't know how to do that, so it's your job. Andy. What did you do, Tommy?
I'm gonna unplug it.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Hey, you have to put that mirror, huh?
Granny panties.
Granny! Look, your wife have a granny undies. Look. It's big, huh? I got big underwear, honey.
Yeah. Big granny panties.
But it's kind of cute. It's covering my butt cheeks.
See, this will stick out for.
Okay.
Because this stuck out like this.
Hey, I don't want this over here.
No, we need a different extension.
No, it should be this one here to line up in that side and go the other side because I don't
Well, it's not
want.
going to be. The TV's not going to be there, right?
Well, I don't want the
Oh,
TV
yeah.
here. It should be there now.
I guess it'll have to be there.
Yeah, so everything is getting.
Well, we're
the
gonna
only,
have to put it across the base, the floor molding.
no, this one here,
Yeah.
it's gonna go over under here, and the only wire that I wanna see here is here under. Make sure that it's not. Oh,
It's not what, hon, now.
look, still on.
On? Relax, please. I'm not done. This cable's only supposed to hold. Just trying to hide the wire behind the cable.
Banat dong, tarungag yun na dong. Dong tame. Tarungan na. Tarungan yun na dong. Kay maot kita na na tong balay dong. Nagkanat lang ng wire dong. Nagkanat-kanat ng itong wire natin dong. So yun. Ito dito, may space pa tayong ano dito. So ang gagawin ko, hindi ko pa alam kung anong ilagay ko dito. I think if Tammy have a lot of junk, like underwear, like that. I don't understand why this one won't close properly, but yeah. I know because Tammy is the person that ang daming panty, ang daming underwear, ang daming socks. So, and may extra pa dito sa baba. Look. I think you know what I'm gonna put over here? Some towels. And the top one is your extra socks and extra underwear. Because ang dami talaga niya, guys. Ako talaga na babae. Ako pa yung sobrang kunti lang yung ano ko. Medyas at saka panty. Siya, ang dami. Meron pa sa taas. Dalawang cellophane, ang garbage cellophane. Dalawa. Puro brand new. Titibag-tibag. Titibag-tibag na. Tiboy-tiboy. Pakunti-kunti lang talaga yung tubig ko kasi andito tayo sa, alam niyo na. Oh, ayan. Antik-antik lang, guys. Tumubo talaga yung talong, guys. Look, oh. What are you doing?
Where'd the,
Look where I put the eggplant, Han.
yeah, I see.
The eggplant have already a.
What'd you do with the wheels that came in from the shelving?
It's over there, package.
Where?
Under the sink.
Under the sink?
Under the sink. Look at Han. Where's under the sink? Itong asawa ko talaga, pa-bibi-bibi. Hindi naman bibi, pa-bibi pa. And also dyan, dito din. Did you see that I have eggplant here?
You put that wheel lock. Where are the wheel locks?
Huh? You said it's only the thing. Why there is a wheels?
I don't see the other hammer. I know it's here somewhere, so I just got it.
It's in the thing. I told you in the thing over there. Where is the way we buy something for the porch?
No, it's not.
You see it's on top.
Where do you see it? I see the razor and I see the wood. So.
I thought it's not here.
No.
Oh, maybe it's back to the basement. I know I look funny, guys. Look at me. Oh my God. So, katatapos ko lang nag-half bath. Sabi ko, gusto ko maging komportable. Aalis sana ako ngayong araw. Punta sa Hannaford. Punta sa Adams. Para bibili ng halaman at saka pat. Pero, sabi ko, no, I'm just going to eat. Can you get my sausage, Han? So, magluluto na lang tayo ng sausage and pepper. Kasi sabi ko, anong gusto mong lutuin ko na gustong-gusto mo? Sabi ko, no, lutuin mo yung ano, yung gusto mong lutuin kasi paborito daw niya. Ah, yung sausage at saka ito. Yun. Sabi ko, mag-order na lang tayo ng ano, kasi birthday mo. Mag-order tayo ng gusto mo, ganun-ganun. Sabi niya, wag na, ito na lang daw. So, yun.
What do you do with the other hammer?
It's in the freezer.
Okay.
It's the two of us.
Okay. I thought you were making some extra for Saturday.
Huh?
I thought you were making extra for Saturday.
No. Oh, I need to cook rice.
Good deli. Good deli.
You are a sandwich breaker. So, ilagay ko na tong ano, guys. Tommy is making crazy. He's crazy, guys. He bought is a big, huge, long sandwich, honey. Gustong-gusto niya. Mahal pa naman. How much is it? 40? 40 each?
40?
How much is it?
It's $12.
Yeah, that's expensive.
They were $9. Scissor.
A Caesar?
They used to be $9. They used to be $6.50 when I first started getting them. That was
You're
20
right.
years.
You know why they became expensive?
With this COVID, it went up to 12.
Yeah, because I hope it won't go higher than that.
You couldn't make it yourself for that price still.
Is it worth it?
Yes. If you tried to make that sandwich yourself, you couldn't do it. No, this is junk.
Happy birthday, Han! Guys, it's Sammy's birthday and he doesn't like any birthday party, birthday surprise.
Did you grow these? Is it yours?
No, it's a thing. Why did you say that?
I was saying, you grew good ones.
Yeah.
That's not.
I have mine over there. I feel so bad. I want to order the shoes. He said, no. Shit. Naku, what happened? What are you doing over there? What are you doing, huh?
The tomato? The pepper? You can use over there. Just crawl around.
Oh. My brain is already stuck up, so it won't work in any numbers anymore. I'm not good in numbers. 1, 2, 5, 0. Han, you married to a stupid woman, honey. So you can just scam me anytime you want. What? Can I just tell you something, honey? Listen, even though I'm stupid, honey, but I'm not stupid.
Stupid, but I'm not stupid.
Anyway, I'm talking about even though I don't have a degree, but I'm not that stupid.
Really not be stupid.
I'm always ahead of what I'm thinking. Always ahead.
Of course, you are always wrong, so I gotta say for that.
No, but at least I'm safe in the end. No, if somebody
admit you're wrong.
if somebody will pretend to be nice to me, but I can see I have a really good sense of, I don't know what kind of sense. Honestly, honey, I have you know, like a woman instinct. I have that.
Intuition?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah.
Do you love me?
Yes, hon.
Even I'm like this.
Yep. You've been like this since I met you. Figure it out.
A what?
Been like this since I met you. Figure it out.
Avocado for me and Tommy. Nag-open siya, guys. Tignan niyo to, oh. Nag-open siya. Itong flower. Ang saya. Na-open siya. Yung isa is wala pa, pero ito nag-open. Ang saya naman. So anyway, so yung sausage is andito. Niluto ko dito. I-ano ko yan, i-flip ko yan mamaya. Para maluto yung kabila. So, ito yung salmon from Costco. My God, tatlo ang laki. And then ako lang daw kakain ito kasi ayaw ni Sammy ng salmon. Yan, lagyan ko lang siya cheese po ito, guys. Masarap po itong cheese na to. Yan siya. And lagyan ko lang siya ng calamansi and pamintang, maraming paminta. Ito siya, para mag-marinate siya, guys. Masarap kasi ito sa salmon. And itong paminta, kasi ito yung pinakamaganda din. Konting oil. Para habang nagluluto siya, ang mangyayari, glaze lang siya, guys, konti. Para magpireto siya mamaya. Yun yung ending niya. So, inano ko lang siya parang pag ganon-ganon. Para yung oil at saka yung nilagay ko na calamansi mag-isavor, mag-mix. And then, ang gagawin ko is ganito. Para papasok yung lasa ng seasoning sa loob. Kasi mas masarap. And then, ito, pag magluto, mag-melt, diba? So, papasok siya sa loob ng ano ko lang siya, guys, i-ano sa taas ng salmon para papasok yung seasoning sa ibabaw. Sa mga nilalagay ko yung mga tusok-tusok. Mag-cut tayo ng sausage. Kanina ko pa ito nilabas. Tignan nyo tong sausage na ito. Ang pangit ng sausage, diba? Ang gagawin ko lang is lutuin natin mamaya with nag-ano po ako, guys, nag-wash ako ng hand. Anak! I guess that's Roxy and Misty.
What?
Sausage. Can you give it to your kid?
Throw away the sausage now? Really? Really not good. Wash that sucker off and put it in.
Huh?
Wash it up, put it away. Not like you give this to both of us, only one piece.
I cut it in piece.
Just cut another piece.
I will get piece. Another piece over there. Seriously. Ito pa rin tayo, guys. I'm still wearing robe because it's very comfortable, right, Han?
Yeah.
Komportable tayo, dahil. I still have to cook the salmon. Well, the salmon, it's easy because I'm just going to put it in the oven. And then I'm going to cook the linguine. Linguine. So, mayroon ng oil. The first thing ang ilagay ko dito is onion and garlic.
Ooh, hot peppers. I like hot peppers.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Make my tongue tingle.
Yun. Onion and garlic, guys. Ilagay na natin si bell pepper. Si sausage mamaya. Si sausage. Ito yung pa-birthday dinner ni Tommy. Sausage pasta.
That's what you get me lobster, I guess. Really? Come on. King crab.
Then let's go get some crab. Honey, let's go.
Hey guys. You have a lobster in the crab, you get these guys. And I gotta bring them.
And it's here. The package is here. So, yung lately, itong mga battery ko sa cellphone o sa camera, madaling malubat. Okay. We're gonna put it later. Later ko na yan ilagay sa couch. Na dyan niya itong kinabuhi. Kinabuhi na to dong. Ganito na talaga. Ito guys, nag-preheat lang ako ng oven 400 degree. Ilagay natin si salmon. And then yung sausage guys, tapos na, look. It's your birthday, it's your birthday. How old are you? How do you do? How do you do? Tummy moy. Tapos na guys, yung salmon. Look at that. Ang ganda, diba? Ito yung butter na, butter ba yun or cheese? Butter, yeah, butter yun. Kakaibang butter na yun para sa salmon, yung green. So yun, maganda yung ano, nag-melt siya, maganda siya, look. Naliligo si Tami guys, kasi, iwan ko, gusto niya maligo. So ngayon, pasta na lang yung lulutuin ko, pero mamaya na yun guys. Gusto ko maging komportable yung araw ko ngayon, and yun. So nagluluto ako, nagruro buong araw, ganun. Walang pagbabago. And then yung parte namin ni Tami is, naliligo siya. Hi guys, sinuot ko na yung bra. Sobrang soft. Sobrang soft. And also, ang problema, kailangan ko ng extra size. Kasi, I think this is medium. Kailangan ko ng extra size kasi yung pinakaayaw ko din sa bra is parang yung dito, yung garter dito is nagpo-push. Parang mahirapan akong huminga guys. Parang, ewan ko, mas komportable akong walang bra. Mas gusto kong kumuha yung padikit na lang ba? Padikit. Pero sobrang soft nito. Ito na yung pasta. At saka ito yung oil at garlic and crushed pepper. Crushed pepper, han? Pepper flake. And then, pagkatapos dito, i-drain lang ito and then i-move dyan. Kain din tayo ng ano, Richie. Look, ang saya kasi sana mabubuhay ito. And I mean, mahinog, you know, hindi masira. Yan. And then, ang gagawin ko guys is i-mix lang siya.
They're already protesting outside. You know, Republican. You're terrorizing. Hey, you're not terrorizing. You're terrorizing.
So guys, we have our dinner. So, what do you think of the dinner, baby, that I cooked for you?
Very nice.
Oh, is it nice? You like it?
Yeah.
Do you like the pasta?
Yeah.
Sausage? How about the salmon anyway? You eat the salmon.
That was okay.
Huh? It's okay? Okay then. So now it's time for him to feed the kids, guys, because we eat. This is weird because usually we feed the kids first. Okay guys, so now that we eat our dinner, we're going to watch the news because we kind of like the news even though it's aggravated. So, and then we're going to continue watching Lost kasi it's been 2 weeks, honey, 2 weeks? It's been 2 weeks na hindi kami nanonood ng Lost kasi wala siya dito. Yeah, so yun. So he's wala siya dito, so ako lang. So yun. Hi guys. Na ano kami guys, na tapos na kaming nanood ng ano, Lost. Tinapos namin yung season 4. It was so freaking creepy. Not creepy. It's confusing. Really confusing. But anyway, if you don't see any Lost, kung hindi pa ninyo nakikita yung Lost, panoorin ninyo guys. Who is it? Tommy is wearing green. So anyway guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night, honey.
Bye, guys.
Good night. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.